So guys, this is our Metamask wallet. We'll be learning how to swap between tokens on the Metamask wallet. Remember, the chain we are operating on is the Binance Smart Chain. So a video has actually been created on how to add the Binance Smart Chain on your Metamask wallet. Go ahead to watch the video up there now. So what I'm just going to do is to hit on swap. So I want to swap my USDT for BUSD. So I'm going to select token here and select USDT, where I have about $146. So I select BUSD. So I actually transferred this token from gate.io to my Metamask. So watch the video up there now to see how I was able to do that. So but before I could actually make this swap, I needed some BNB. So I now went ahead to swap between my BNB and my BUSD on my Trust wallet. They are now sent the BNB to my Metamask. Isn't that not awesome? So it's actually something we can do. So I just switch this and I hit on what? Use max. Alright, so I want to make this happen now. So I hit on what? Get quotes. So get quotes will actually fetch you some of the transaction fees and whatever you need to carry out this transaction. I just so much love Metamask. It's not like the Metamask of before. So you see new codes changes in this countdown time. I just hit on what? Swipe to swap. So if you notice, you have estimated gas fee is this $0.47. Maximum gas fee is that $0.81. So this will enable USDT for swapping. So you can edit, and but I don't want to do that. So I just swipe to swap. Alright, I'm swapping to BUSDT. So approving USDT for swap, waiting for confirmation. So if you have not done any transaction on Metamask, go ahead to do that because there is gonna be an airdrop coming soon. So I should have done all this swap before now, but it's never too late. Hope you got value in this video. So I've successfully swapped my USDT for BUSD. Is that not super awesome? And this is Binance Smart Chain on Metamask. Support this channel to get more crypto related content like this. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Always remember to do your own diligent research for any project you want to ape in. Peace out.